Today I will show you how to make a noob avatar with 0 Robux. First, go to the avatar section. Then unequip everything in your avatar. You must unequip this man torso. You must also unequip this man head. Then you must unequip this man's left arm. Then you must do the same for the right arm. Then you unequip the man left leg and man right leg. Choose the noob colors for your avatar. You must choose this yellow color and you must choose this like blue color. And then you must choose this yellowish green. Then your avatar is done. Subscribe for more content. Bye bye.